Mate tried eating me, no way.
Hi guys, sorry for taking a year-long break, but I am back.
Ho ho ho!
Anyways, here is my tank I created and build a boot for pleasure. Let's do a bit of trolling bois. Here we got the Gawk Gawk 3000 Pro Max plus Ultra Mini Super Duper Gupper Looper Chuper Maximus Ultimus Triple Treatment Double Dog Dare Big Bone Telephone. We are gonna put some people to sleep. Anyways, let's start the trolling.
Vroom.
Hello, little friend. I want to introduce you to my other little friend. Oh, now are my vehicle trying to hit the dance floor. Get up, mate.
What the was that?
Gotta lose some weight to stand up straight. Still not enough. Ah, suffer.
Get flung law.
Awesome sauce. Alright, on to the next one. Ha 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 hark. What the Care Bear hella hair is that? Time to destruct the amigos. Never mind. Bro, what the flip-flop? Really? A huge purple computer?
No match for my Gawk Gawk 3000 Pro Max plus Ultra Mini Super Duper Gupper Looper Chuper Maximus Ultimus Triple Treatment Double Dog Dare Big Bone Telephone.
Mate tried eating me, no way. Is bro tweaking? Or did someone ask bro English or Spanish? I call that an absolute win. Time to shoot the ball. Bro evaporated, LOL. Phase 2 boss fight with the purple computer? Aw shucks. Bro, they turned isolation mode. That kicks me off. Respawn time, hee hee. Bro has a knockback resistance potion? turned into black smoke. Yeah, I really did that Thanos snap. Did I really trap myself? Haha, I escaped. Yay. What the? Replay that clip. Alright, whatever. You are literally a liquid. Manus Sans? Didn't even have to use the cannons, lol. Literally like 2 minutes of me failing to shoot. Mime sucks. Alright, I'ma stop playing around. Time to bring out the big guns. Or should I say explosives? I will turn this into the Gok 3000 Pro Max plus Ultra Mini Super Duper Gupper Looper Chuper Maximus Ultimus Triple Treatment Double Dog Dare Big Boned Telephone the Grinch Flinch Mega Couch Multiple Balls in a Pouch Fling Ding Wing Ching Ping Sing Ling Beam Team Up on a Stick. This thing will annihilate your dog. And oh, why did it explode? I did not add a self-destruct button, bro. Retry, 5x speed. Argue Soyus White Neobrow? Warning, don't try this at home. I turned into a dancing rocket, no way. I believe I can fly. I believe I can reset and die. Alright guys, it is time to say goodbye. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, you are a sociopath. You like watching others get flinged?
Well, I know I did.
Explosive outro. Awesome sauce. Goodbye, guys.
See you soon.